Feel every mile with crystal clear sound. Today, we're revealing the best helmet speakers for motorcycle riding, so you can ride safer, smarter, and more entertained. From music quality to comfort, battery life, and call clarity, we'll break down the top options for every rider and budget. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Let's go. Designed for riders who want clear audio without compromising safety, this helmet audio system focuses on comfort, durability, and everyday usability. Feya motorcycle helmet speakers use Bluetooth 5.3 technology to connect two mobile devices simultaneously, allowing riders to stream music while still receiving GPS navigation or calls. The speakers feature a 40mm graphene diaphragm that delivers balanced hi-fi stereo sound, while dual noise-canceling microphones reduce wind, engine, and traffic noise during calls. Powered by a large 1,000 mAh battery, the system provides up to 20 hours of active use and an impressive standby time, with fast USB-C charging, completing a full charge in about 2 hours. Built with an IPX6 waterproof rating, the headset performs reliably in rain, dust, and cold conditions. Large glove-friendly buttons make playback, volume control, and voice assistant activation easy while riding. Installation is straightforward and compatible with most helmet types, provided speaker cutouts are available. Users consistently praise the lightweight build, strong Bluetooth connection, and dependable battery life. Some riders note volume limitations at highway speeds, but overall impressions highlight solid performance, easy setup, and excellent value for daily motorcycle use. Built for riders who prioritize communication reliability and long-term support, this system focuses on clarity and universal compatibility. Cardo Systems' Spirit motorcycle Bluetooth speakers connect easily with almost any Bluetooth headset brand, making them ideal for mixed riding groups. The headset supports over-the-air software updates through the Cardo Connect app, ensuring features and performance stay current over time. Audio quality is optimized for calls and navigation, delivering clear voice transmission even at higher speeds. The waterproof construction allows confident use in rain, mud, or dusty riding conditions without worry. Battery performance is strong, lasting through extended rides with minimal recharging, and USB charging keeps power-ups convenient. The unit mounts securely to most helmets and is widely considered easy to install, even for first-time users. Customer feedback highlights excellent call clarity, stable connectivity, and dependable battery life, while some riders report mixed experiences with music volume and pairing consistency. Most agree the headset performs exceptionally well for communication-focused riding. Overall, it's viewed as a dependable, well-supported Bluetooth solution that offers strong brand reliability and practical everyday performance. Engineered for riders who want intercom functionality without sacrificing comfort, this headset balances power with an ultra-slim design. XGP Motorcycle Helmet Bluetooth headset weighs just 39 grams and fits neatly inside most helmets, minimizing pressure and distraction during long rides. Equipped with Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.2, it supports two-rider intercom communication up to 1,200 meters, delivering fast pairing, low latency, and stable connections. The 1,000 mAh battery provides up to 20 hours of music playback and 35 hours of calls or intercom use, making it suitable for all-day rides. The 40mm hi-fi speakers are professionally tuned for strong bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, while DSP and CVC noise cancellation enhance voice clarity. With IPX6 waterproof protection, the headset handles rain and harsh weather conditions with ease. Riders frequently praise its impressive battery life, excellent sound quality, and easy installation. Intercom reliability and music sharing features are standout highlights. Overall, users describe it as a feature-rich, high-performance headset that delivers premium functionality at a competitive price point. Focused on delivering loud, immersive audio without intercom complexity, this headset is designed for solo riders who value simplicity. Elikidsto motorcycle helmet Bluetooth speakers emphasize hi-fi sound through 40mm speaker drivers paired with DSP and CVC noise cancellation for clearer calls. A powerful 1,000 mAh battery delivers over 25 hours of talk or music time, while fast charging minimizes downtime. Bluetooth connectivity remains stable within a 30-meter range and supports dual phone connections for added convenience. Automatic call answering answering and voice assistant support enhance hands-free operation on the road. With IPX6 waterproof rating, the headset performs reliably in rain and wind. Installation is simple and compatible with various helmet types, using either adhesive or clamp mounting options. Large buttons are glove-friendly and easy to operate while riding. User feedback highlights easy setup, solid connectivity, and good value for money. Sound quality impressions vary depending on helmet fit and wind conditions, but most riders agree it performs well for navigation, music, and daily commuting needs. Designed for adventure riders who demand durability and modern connectivity, this headset combines strong performance with rider-friendly controls. WarmDerm motorcycle Bluetooth headset features the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology, supporting two-rider intercom communication up to 1,000 meters with low latency and stable connection. The built-in 40mm HD speakers deliver immersive stereo sound with deep bass and clear vocals, even at highway speeds. An IPX67 waterproof and dustproof design ensures reliable operation in all weather conditions. Fast USB-C charging supports extended rides and even allows use while charging. Hands-free operation is enhanced with one-touch Siri or Google Assistant activation, while large buttons make control easy with gloves on. The headset includes both boom and button microphones, making it compatible with full-face and open-face helmets. Customers praise its ease of installation, solid sound quality, and dependable performance in harsh environments. Many riders appreciate the customizable faceplates and long battery life, describing it as a well-rounded and durable communication solution for everyday and touring use. Built for riders who prioritize high-quality audio without intercom functions, this headset focuses on personal connectivity and comfort. Lexin G1 motorcycle Bluetooth headset supports Bluetooth 5.0 multi-point pairing, allowing simultaneous connection to a phone and GPS device. The 40mm Mylar speakers deliver rich sound, while DSP and CVC noise cancellation improve clarity for calls and navigation prompts. With an IPX67 waterproof rating, the headset performs reliably in rain, wind, and dusty conditions. An 800 mAh battery offers up to 20 hours of use, supported by fast USB-C charging. Large glove-friendly buttons make operation simple, and voice assistant activation enhance hands-free safety. The headset includes both boom and button microphones and multiple interchangeable faceplates for a customized look. Users report excellent battery life, clear call quality, and easy installation across different helmet types. While sound quality feedback varies by rider preference, most consider it a solid, budget-friendly option for solo riders who want dependable Bluetooth audio without intercom complexity. Created for riders who prioritize loud audio and extended battery life, this headset emphasizes endurance and visibility. JZAQ motorcycle helmet speakers use Bluetooth 5.3 technology for stable connections and support automatic call answering for safer riding. The ultra-thin speaker design fits comfortably inside most helmets without ear pressure, while DSP noise reduction enhances call clarity. A massive 1200 mAh battery delivers exceptionally long playback and standby times, reducing the need for frequent charging. Battery status can be monitored directly from the connected phone. Unique multicolor LED lighting adds visual flair and improves visibility, while voice assistant support allows hands-free operation. The headset includes both soft and hard microphones for flexible helmet compatibility and installs quickly using detachable Velcro mounts. Customers frequently praise its strong volume output, long battery life, and easy installation. Sound quality feedback varies by rider preference, but most riders agree it performs well for everyday music, navigation, and daily commuting needs. Thanks for riding along. If you found your perfect helmet speakers, hit like and subscribe for more gear guides. Check all product links in the description to upgrade your ride.